Hi boys and girls, today we're going to do our STEM project. We have two things we're going to make. The first one is edible slime and then edible ice cream, Play-Doh. We're going to fill up your cone. Alright, so for our edible slime we're using marshmallows. I have the large ones, you can use the mini ones. We use a half a bag and half of a box of Jell-O pudding. And I have vanilla here. You can use chocolate. Some of you will get chocolate. Some of you will get vanilla. So the first thing we're going to do is melt our marshmallows. And we're going to melt them in the microwave, so you'll need some help to melt them in the microwave. And we're going to melt them for 3-minute intervals, 3-second intervals, okay? All right. Okay, we're still melting our marshmallows, okay? They're big, so it takes them a little bit longer to melt. We should just be about ready. See how big they get? Can you see that? But what you're gonna do now is take your spoon, and they're messy, and you're gonna stir them. We'll do them about 30 seconds. And then stir them and put them back in 30 seconds again. Okay, these are good. Now, we're going to pour up, we have a half a cup of pudding, so we're going to pour up 1/4 cup of pudding in our measuring cup. All right, then we're going to stir that. One thing you want to make sure, boys and girls, is while you're stirring, you have to stir your pudding really, really good. And this is still sticky. You want to make sure that you get that pudding stirred in really, really good. And before you pick this up and work with it, you want to make sure it's cooled. Do not burn your fingers, okay? And it's still quite sticky, so we may have to add some more pudding. But it's getting really, really you can play with it. But we're going to add some more pudding to it, okay? See, it's still a little sticky. So I'm going to put some more pudding in there and we're going to stir it. Okay, we're going to stir some more. Stir it really good, okay? Because it's going to be real sticky if you don't get that. This is much better. See, I've got the sticky on my hands, but when you get that pudding mixed in there, it feels so much better. It's not quite as sticky as it was. But remember, you do your marshmallows at 30-second intervals. And I'll write that down. And you shouldn't have to do it any more than twice. But you take this out and work with it with your hands. And you can wash your hands. All it is marshmallows and pudding. It's nothing that's really yucky. It's just sticky. And the more you work with it, the easier it won't be as sticky. And then you can just see and pull it. You do slime. Kind of like silly putty, only it's still a little bit stickier than silly putty. If you get a little water on your hands, you have a little bowl and dip your hands in it and work with it, it takes the stickiness off. So that's what I have done right here. And I know it's still kind of yucky on my hands, but it washes right off. I guarantee it. So we'll have the exact measurements on the sheet for you and what you need to do, but just have your little bowl. You can dip your fingers in with just a little bit of water and you'll be good to go. All right, we did our edible slime. Now we're going to do our edible ice cream Play-Doh. So you will get an ice cream cone, but it won't be like this. It's just little squatty ones that sit flat. And I didn't have one here, so I will put this one in there. So to make your edible slime, or make your edible Play-Doh, you will need powdered sugar. All right, you will get a half a cup powdered sugar and 1/4 a cup of frosting. Now we have a little bit more powdered sugar here, just in case if we need it, okay? And so we're gonna take our clean spoon here and get our frosting out and dip it in here so we can measure it. We want 1/4 a cup. All right, now we're gonna take our blue frosting. Some of you will get blue, some of you will get pink, some of you will get yellow. All right, now we're going to stir this. Now you're gonna have to do it gentle because you know powdered sugar is messy. And Mom's not gonna want this all over her floor. Of course, I'm messy too, so I'm used to it, but I'm sure a lot of your mothers aren't messy. But this is your edible Play-Doh. And it's just going to take a few minutes to get it stirred up, just like when you use powdered sugar to make frosting. If you watch Mom make frosting, or you've made frosting, you know it takes a while to get this mixed up. But once you do, it's worth it. Homemade frosting's so good. And this homemade Play-Doh will be good too. Okay. By getting the colored frosting, which if you wanted to, and you had white frosting, and you wanted it colored, you could use food coloring. But we thought this would be easier for you all. That way you wouldn't have to mix the food color. See, it's getting close. It just takes a few minutes to get it all stirred up. And then you will take, once you get it good mixed up, you can work it with your hands. And you can play with it, or you can go on and put it in your ice cream cone, whatever you want to do. Just about ready. And we all like to make Play-Doh, or play with Play-Doh. Okay. This is doing good. We won't need that extra Play-Doh or extra powdered sugar. We're gonna be good. Unless it's a little too sticky for you. Now that's left up to you. If you think it's too sticky, then you can, but you want to be able to play with it like you do Play-Doh. And if you think it is, you can put just a tad more powdered sugar on it. But see, here's your Play-Doh. You can roll it out and make whatever you want to make out of it. Now what I'm going to do with mine, since it's supposed to be an ice cream cone, I'm going to plop mine on top of my cone. You don't have to if you don't want to. There's my ice cream cone. Plus, I don't want that to topple over. I still got some more. Whoop, it did. Look at that. There it is. It's too heavy for this cup. No, it's not going to stay there. I'm going to have to lean it up against maybe the frosting. Yeah, there we go. Then you still have some Play-Doh you can play with. All right, there you go. There's your edible Play-Doh. Have a great day.